Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. Anybody do you something? You deal with it or the Bible say you fi deal with it? Think about it. And while you are thinking about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you not do it yet, go do it now. Just click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you no miss none of what I go on. Right here, so.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 18 from verse 15 to verse 20. Now, if one of your brother or sister do no nothing, go inside and make them know where them do wrong. If them listen, then things gone back good again with Uno and them. But if them not pay no mind, then Uno fi carry one or two other people go back with Uno. That way they know 2 or 3 people with dede fi see we go on and fi prove what no say. If the brother or sister no want listen, the people them we no carry, go tell the church. And if they not pay down to the church mind, then deal with them like how no would have deal with somebody when you save or one tax collector. Me I tell you this, and I true me attack. Anything we wanna say, nothing go on yes up on earth, God would have done say it nothing go on neither. And anything we wanna say, yeah, that can go on. God I got done allow that for go on already. Me I tell you this too, and I true me attack. If 2 of uno with the yes upon earth come together and say uno a ask God for sitting, my Father way in heaven, I go do it for uno. Cause anyway, 2 or 3 I'm a follower of them gather for pray. Me there right there with them. A God what this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box.